We do have a lot of automation use cases at this year's Productronica. In fact, we tried to put together an integrated smart factory right on our booth to show some of the benefits that our customers may have if they start using data from the production lines to automate certain workflows. We are using data from the production lines and from the preparation area to control AIVs that are automatically able to pick up a table and do an automatic table exchange at the line.
Welcome to Productronica and welcome to ASM. My name is Alexander Hagenfeldt and I will be your host for the next few minutes. My partner today is Dawn, who is our smart operator for the integrated smart factory, the one person who's fully in charge. Dawn is going to leave us now and get back to work. Today, we are going to show you the full power of the integrated smart factory. And let me assure you, this is the only real integrated smart factory concept that you will find here at Productronica. For us, the integrated smart factory is a symbiotic ecosystem of intelligent machines and smart operators that are all working together to achieve manufacturing excellence. It's a data-driven system that is held together by a digital thread and a system that gets better when all suppliers and partners work together to achieve manufacturing excellence, the best integrated electronics manufacturing site for our customers. So, to show you how all of this works, we have put together an integrated smart factory for you right here on our booth. The key components of our factory are 2 production lines, 1 preparation area, 1 material warehouse, our smart operator, and 1 control center. Let's start by taking a closer look at what is happening over here. The control center is the core of any integrated smart factory. This is the place where you control, visualize, and monitor the state of your factory in real time. If you want to learn more about our highly integrated software portfolio, my colleague Heidi over here will be happy to assist you after the show. So let's take a closer look at one of these screens right here. What you can see is our production schedule for today. And as we can see, there's going to be a setup changeover right here on line 1 in approximately 5 minutes. Now, to complete this task, we need to deliver the required material from our warehouse to the preparation area. And today, this is something that can be fully automated based on real-time information from our production lines. And in doing that, it saves time for the operator and frees up time to work on more important tasks somewhere else in our factory. And the key enabler here is perfect human-robot collaboration. Over there you can see our Knapp AIV, which is navigating to the new ASM material tower to collect the required material. The material is automatically pre-sorted for a specific setup, track by track, from left to right. And then it's delivered straight to an available drop point right here in the preparation area next to our smart operator. So in essence, it is a perfect handshake between man and machine. Meanwhile, our smart operator already starts to prepare the next setup using active components. And to make this task as easy as possible, he is guided by the feeder LEDs and a target track monitor. So when the material arrives, it is already pre-sorted, meaning to set up the empty feeders is a very easy task. All the operator has to do is take the reel and feed it into the empty tape channel. In fact, setting up a feeder has never been this easy, because this, ladies and gentlemen, is our new C-Place auto refill feeder. We expect that it is going to speed up your preparation process by at least 60%. And unlike traditional feeders, it comes equipped with a unique special cloud that separates the foil above the component, revealing it for pickup. A second tape channel ensures a seamless transition from one reel to the next for fast and easy replenishment during production.
Yes, you're totally right, Alex. Refilling the line.
That's great. So let's have a closer look at what is happening over here. Because in fact, The second tape channel of the auto refill feeder really starts to shine over here in this corner. When the one is going to replenish the material, we have two empty tracks here, meaning you don't have to wait for the component reel to be empty to complete this task, meaning we have a much larger time window to replenish material. And this gives us a huge advantage because we are now able to group tasks and assign them to our smart operators strategically. And this is another great example for how we can use data for smart operator guidance in the integrated smart factory. Now remember I told you we're going to have a changeover on line 1 in about 5 minutes? I think that time is almost up. In general, as soon as the last board has been produced in the first machine of our line, we are able to start the changeover station by station. The first machine, this line, is our brand new deck TQ. This is a machine that was designed from ground up for non-stop production. It can run for up to 8 hours without any manual assist. If a changeover is required, our smart operator can rely on a local sensor buffer to simply exchange the foil. For the rest of the line, no further actions are required. So while Doan was replenishing material on line 2, our low-pad AIVs from Eurotech already initiated the setup changeover right here on line 1. So the AIV moves into position underneath the table inside the machine, and when both AIVs are in position, they can exchange the tables fully automatically in less than 2 minutes. We chose to work with this type of AIV because it shares a similar footprint to our tables, meaning you should be able to use it in your factory without rearranging the lines. For those of you who pay close attention, you may have noticed that the waste containers are missing here. That is because this line comes equipped with our new automatic waste disposal system. It can be retrofitted to any X generation seedless line, and what happens here is while the machines are producing, all the waste is aggregated at the end of the line. And the very same low-pad AIV that you see here can be used to transport the waste away from the line. And this again saves workload for our operators, meaning they can be used somewhere else in our factory. So we don't need operators to clean up the waste, we don't need operators to do the changeovers, and we don't need dedicated operators on our lines. Material replenishment has never been easier. This is how we are going to enable a smart operator pool concept for the integrated smart factory. And this is a concept that is controlled by our new ASM command center based on real-time data from any machine in the factory that speaks IPC CFX. It's a system that automatically alerts the operator based on their skill level as to wherever he or she is needed in our factory. And that's what makes the integrated smart factory different. So these automation showcases are quite impressive, right? But it's only just a glimpse of what an integrated smart factory can offer. We can apply the same concept to other new emerging technologies and smart operator enablers as well. And many of them you can see live right here on our booth. We have our Service 4.0 corner over here with new tools like digital twins, virtual reality, new interfaces for predictive maintenance. Be sure to visit Jim and his team over here after the show. We also have new software solutions on both line and factory level, IT solutions like Critical Manufacturing MBS and ASM Factory Chat. They give you complete control over your factory. Let Joao and Stefan show you how. And let's not forget our new 5D inline solder paste inspection system, the ASM Process Lens. My colleague Jerome over in that corner will be happy to answer your questions after the show. So let's summarize. ASM is able to provide you with a comprehensive software integration and a digital thread that weaves intelligent machines, robots, and smart operators together. ASM solutions are open, flexible, and retrofittable, meaning you can upgrade to the integrated smart factory, and it's easy, and it will improve your quality and your productivity while reducing your costs. The smart operator is key to the successful implementation of the integrated smart factory, and that is why we do provide them with the best possible tools available on the market. So please take your time and have a look around. Our experts are looking forward to talking to you. On behalf of ASM, we wish you a successful Productronica. Thank you.
How do you want to support your customers if they want to integrate all these solutions now?
Well, first of all, we want to show customers what is possible with our solutions, and when they want to implement what they are seeing, we are of course there to support them. If they need special interfaces for the integration, certain triggers in the software, our experts would be able to help them figure out what is the best way to get access to the information that they need. And through that, they can enable more automation for the integrated smart factory.